So the next example is the mean heights and the number of the student in the three section of the statistics class are given below. These are the section, these are the number of the boys, and these are the mean heights. So this is the value of the n1, that is 40, this is the value of the n2, that is 37, and this is the value of the n3, that is 43, and this is the basically the exercise, like x1 equals to 62, x2 equals to 58, and x3 equals to 61. What we have to do, I am using here the third property. I am first multiplying these two values and divided by the ni's. So putting all the values in the formula, I got that result, that is 60.4. so this is the mean for the, or you can say the mean height for that given case. Further is the formula for the mean for the group data, that is xi, which is equals to fi xi plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus up to so on fk xk divided by f1 plus f2 plus up to so on fk. Or I can write it in the summation form like x bar, which is equals to summation fi xi over n. Here fi is the frequency and xi is basically the midpoints, or you can say or the observation. If the data is in the form of the discrete group data, then the classes are taken as the xi's, as the observations. But if the data is in the form of the continuous data in the interval form, then I take the midpoints as an xi's. So this is the basic rule you have to keep in mind always when you are going to solve the mean for the group data. So next here is the example for calculating the mean weight of the apple from the data of the example 2.2 from the observed value and from the data group into the frequency distribution. This is the basically the data given. These are the weight, these are the sum of the actual observation. That means in the example 2.2, in the previous section where we discussed that example, there are in that you can say in that interval there are some values, and I just add all that value and I got that result, that is 695. So these are the values, these are the additive you can say these are the summation, or these are the added value in that classes. So this is the frequency in that question. These are things, these are given here. What we have to do, we have to make a column for the mean weight. How to calculate these value? You have to simply add those observation and divide by frequency 9. So I got that result, that values. In the next step, I am going to multiply fi with the xi like this, and in the next column I have to calculate the midpoints, like 65 plus 84 divided by 2. So I got that result, that is 74.5. like that I calculate all the midpoints. In the next column, I multiplied midpoints with the frequency. I have got that all the values, and in the next step I am going to add up all the values. I got that result, that is 7350. that is the value of the summation fi xi, and this 60 is basically the summation fi, and this is the basically the, you can say, summation fi xi dash, and this is basically simply, you can say this is simply summation xi. So first one, if we have to calculate the value for the ungrouped data, for that case, so for this is